When we talk about Gen AI in banking, there's a fine line on how to deploy.
As the user base of its primary business continues to grow, the company...
But the most important change in the U.S. government has nothing to do with Palantir.
Have you ever had to reach out to your bank because a number doesn't look right?
The messy of AI does look expensive based on some value.
And providing what we would consider behavioral insights.
According to Mordor Intelligence, a business research firm, the AI payments market is growing at an annual rate of over 20%. This surge is fueled by endless possibilities in creativity and automation. AI is rapidly transforming the payment sector, so why stay behind? Let's begin from where AI masters and humans lack. Chapter 1. AI Guardian. Fraud in digital payments isn't just a nuisance anymore, it's a billion-dollar battlefield. In a world where every tap, swipe, and online purchase can be a potential target, AI has emerged as the silent, invisible guardian that never sleeps. Behind every real-time transaction lies a complex performance of algorithms tirelessly working to detect the slightest anomaly. Whether it's a user suddenly transacting in a new country or a suspicious spike in purchases, AI can sniff out fraud faster than any human ever could. Take MasterCard, for instance. Their AI-powered fraud detection system combs through billions of data points across years of transaction history. But it's not just about preventing fraud, it's about doing it without ruining the customer experience. Nobody wants their legitimate purchase blocked. AI balances this tightrope, reducing false positives while still catching evolving fraud patterns. And with global digital fraud expected to rack up over $343 billion in losses by 2027, AI is a critical defense system. But is AI only performing on the security side? Chapter 2. AI in customer services. Now picture this situation. You need help with a payment issue at 2 a.m. Instead of holding the line for 30 minutes, you open your banking app, type your question, and you get instant help. No humans involved. This is the new normal because of AI chatbots and virtual assistants.
On the one hand side, it's a new paradigm. On the other, the interactions that banks have with their customers typically need 100% accuracy.
Powered by natural language processing, these bots don't just answer questions. They understand context, learn from past interactions, and resolve issues faster than traditional support channels ever could. Just look at PayPal's virtual assistant, Claude. It handles over 30 million queries a year, handling everything from balance checks to dispute resolutions. And it never sleeps. This tech not only saves companies millions in operational costs, but it also gives users the convenience they now demand. With nearly 70% of customers preferring chatbots for quick support, AI isn't just an upgrade, it's a total shift in expectations. And it's obviously a great gift for introverts. Agree, guys? But AI doesn't stop here. Do you have an experience applying for a credit card only to get denied because you've never had credit before? Happens all the time. Traditional credit scoring doesn't understand freelancers, students, or the unbanked. That's where AI steps in, rewriting the rulebook. Instead of relying solely on outdated models, AI evaluates over 1,000 variables in real time, from device data and payment habits to even social signals. The result is a more accurate, fair assessment of risk. Stripe's credit underwriting is a powerful example. Their machine learning system evaluates merchants in over 200 countries, increasing approval rates by 20% without bumping up defaults. That's not just good business, it's a massive step toward financial inclusion. Then what about offers and recommendations? Let's be real, generic coupons are dead. Today, if a discount or suggestion doesn't feel tailored, it gets ignored. AI fixes that.
What we do get are certain identifiers and then certain demographic information. And to your point, that it's that demographic information that we use.
By analyzing your spending patterns, browsing history, and even your geolocation, it delivers hyper-personalized offers that hit just right. If you don't believe it, in the real world, American Express takes this to the next level. Their AI-driven system recommends travel spots, restaurants, and even exclusive shopping deals, all tailored to your personal preferences. It's not just about pushing products, it's about enhancing experiences. Customers feel seen, and companies get higher engagement and loyalty in return. Simply, it is a VIP treatment. Although these changes are visible to us behind the scenes, there's a different kind of AI revolution happening, one you probably don't see. Chapter 3: Streamlined Processing and Settlements. Payment processing and settlements are often clunky and full of manual steps. But after AI, through technologies like optical character recognition and smart automation, tasks like invoice reconciliation and cash flow forecasting become lightning fast and mistake-free. For instance, financial services giant FIS slashed processing time by 60% using AI, while cutting operational costs by nearly a third. Fewer errors, faster settlements, and better visibility across systems give businesses an undeniable edge in a fast-moving world. But perhaps the biggest game changer is this: AI isn't just reacting anymore, it's predicting. Chapter 4: Predicting. With access to mountains of data, AI tools are now delivering insights that guide strategy, not just operations. Payment companies like Visa use AI to analyze emerging trends like the rise in online gaming or shifts in entertainment spending.
Banks will have to assess the quality of the Gen AI, the sources and reasons, and decide how they want to use it. Gen AI will bring a new source of insight.
These insights help shape everything from product development to marketing strategy. Data is the new oil, and AI is the refinery. Companies that know how to harness it are making moves faster, smarter, and more confidently than ever. AI isn't just in the basement crunching numbers anymore, it's sitting at the executive table. And just when you think AI has done it all, a new frontier emerges: generative AI. Chapter 5: Generative AI. While traditional AI sparked a revolution through automation and decision-making, generative AI takes the movement further by actively creating solutions. Generative AI automates entire payment workflows by parsing unstructured data, detecting inconsistencies, and resolving them in real time. It eliminates manual bottlenecks by intelligently creating and adapting process flows on the fly, streamlining tasks like invoice scanning, reconciliation, and compliance checks with unmatched speed, precision, and adaptability. For instance, a multinational firm using a Gen AI-enhanced ERP system can now reconcile invoices from hundreds of vendors worldwide, flag suspicious entries, and even prepare audit-ready reports without a single spreadsheet being manually opened. But as much as we're pushing technology to new depths, we're also exposing a wider surface for cyber attacks. Every line of code that automates a task may also open a door for vulnerabilities, especially those that exploit human behavior, like phishing or social engineering. Yes, there are legitimate concerns, but if we only fixate on the risks, we halt progress. We'd still be mailing checks or standing in line at the bank to cash a paycheck. The key is balance. By staying vigilant about data privacy and building systems that account for human vulnerability, we raise the chances of this technological revolution succeeding on all fronts. Cybersecurity must evolve in parallel with innovation.
This is where generative AI can be that detective watching all of your transactions and can catch the fraud.
If we combine that awareness with a forward-looking mindset, we not only safeguard what we have, we create space for what's next. Let's be smart, let's be secure, and above all, let's not be afraid of the future.